Hello, we are from Group 3, Section 1, Numerical Method. Would like to present our study on level of service by using Newton divided difference to interpolate the data in the calculation. Let's move to the introduction. The first one is the background of the study. Our study will be focused on the traffic flow. Then, the traffic congestion is the common problem that occurs in our country, especially in the development area and during the peak hour. This problem not only occur in the urban area but also occur in the rural area because it become a main road that connecting both roads. This approach will be used to study the traffic flow is by using level of service to know the comfort of the road user on the road. Then Newton divided difference will be utilized to interpret the data in the table. The important parameter that will be used in this study is the traffic volume during peak hour, percentage of heavy vehicle, width of the lane, number of the lane, lateral clearance, and access point. Then, level of service is a quantitative measure that describes the operational condition within a traffic stream. Then, it divides the quality of the traffic flow will be divided into the 6 level, which is ranging from level A into the level F, representing from very good to the very poor level of service. Next is problem statement. Some road in Malaysia has several traffic congestion that interfere with the comfort of the road user. Arise is the disruption of the traffic flow during the peak hour. Then difficulty will be faced by the people that living in the neighborhood that have high level of LOS to carry out their daily activity. Then these problems are due to the area that having a less suitable road size and number of lane, high density of population, and having a high percentage of heavy vehicle. Then, our objective is to study level of service of the road resulting from traffic flow study for the user comfort on the road by using Newton divided difference to interpolate the data in the table.
Hello and a very good morning. My name is Nur Saleha binti Fazila and I will explain about the literature review. Firstly, level of service. The definition of level of service is evaluating the quality of road service as perceived by users were conducted. A quantitative assessment of a highway facility operating performance based on quantitative performance measurement. The level of service were described as being dependent on the individual road user impression. So there are 6 categories for level of service, which is starting from A to F. Based on the table shows, level of service, which is A for free flow, B for reasonable free flow, C stable flow, D approaching unstable flow, E unstable flow, and F force of breakdown flow. Next, Newton's divided difference. The definition of Newton divided difference is interpolation polynomial for a given collection of data points in the mathematical disciplines of numerical analysis. A technique for calculating an interpolation polynomial, a polynomial that fits a set of points or data. Newton divided difference can be used by using this formula.
Okay, now I will continue for part 3, which is the methodology of our project. So in this part, we are going to discuss about the Phyla table. The content of Phyla table is the facts, the ideas, the learning issues, and the actions taken to get the results of our projects. The first fact is the traffic highway depends on the level of service or LOS value. So the ideas is the busyness of traffic highway is observed to be high during peak hour. And for learning issues, how to calculate the level of service. And lastly, the action taken is calculating by using steps to verify LOS during peak hour. And for the second fact, Newton divided difference as interpolation method in determine the criteria value. The ideas is the value of X taken in each criteria is collected by using interpolation method. And for learning issues, how to get interpolation value of X. So the actions is determine the value of X by using interpolation method from Newton divided difference steps. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anto Chen. So now I want to present about the type calculation. So first step we need to find the FFS. So to find the FFS, we have to find the BFFS and we get the value of 80 km per hour. And next we have to find the FLW. From table 1 we can directly get the value of FLW equals 0. So from table 2 we have to find the value of FLC. So by using Newton divided difference method we can get the FLC value is equal to 0.262. And next, from table 3, we can directly get the value of Fm, which is equal to 0. And from table 4, by using the Newton's divided difference method, we can get the value of Fa equals to 2. So from above this, we can get the value of Ffs equal to 77.737 km per hour. So next we have the determination of flow rate Vp, and from the formula we can get the value of FH3 equals to 0.9615, and from the formula we can get the value of Vp equals to 1444.5 pc per hour per length. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Charity, and now I'm going to continue about the part calculation. So we will need to determine the level of service since our VP is greater than 1400 and FFS is within the range of 70 to 80, so our S is equal to FFS. So the density by this calculation is 18.582. Since the flow rate is VP equals to 1444.5 and the car speed is 77.737, so from this figure we can get that it is loss D. So I will continue about the part discussion. The Newton divided difference has been proved that it will help to solve the problem of traffic engineering in real life, as it is an interpolation technique used when the interval difference is not the same for all sequence of values. It could be used to determine the adjustment for the data, so we can take a more precise prediction for the level of service of highway through the adjustment of data. So the level of service in this divided highway is LSD, which reflects the level of service of that highway. That's all from me.
Hello, I am Nushavka Michael, and I will end this presentation with conclusion. Polynomial can be used to express a given set of numerical data on a pair of variables by using method provided. In this project, we use a method of interpolation by Newton's divided difference, which is to determine the number of x needed in each requirement. Therefore, the relevance of LOS, which is level of service, to get the daily traffic outcomes is acknowledged. And lastly, the value of LOS can be used to determine the daily traffic situation during peak hours. That is all from our group presentation. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.